Hello everyone. You might be wondering who am I and also wondering why am I giving so much of knowledge without uniform. Okay, so yes, many stuff is still left and yet to be revealed. But for now, I would like to you all know that I am selected for the position of cabin crew, and I have worked on myself in multiple sites. It might be on my weight, it might be on to get that fit to fly certificate and whatnot. I have used all of my energy, brain and heart to this profession that I want to see myself, and you would also be the one of those candidates earning the same title, because if I can, why can't you, right? So yes, this should be your spirit and you should be the one getting selected without any self-doubting yourself. Okay, so the next step, I would like to assist you all guys whenever you step in for an interview, as I was very professional, very nervous. I was not speaking, I was not opening my mouth by any means. I was just there in a way, until and unless someone approached me, I won't talk. No, you should not repeat this mistake. You should approach, you should talk, make friends. You should look light there. No, you should not be there with a heavy heart or heavy tears in locked in your eyes. You should be very smiley at that point. Okay, so the next step I would like to say you is to carry a extra shirt with you. Main thing is extra shirt, because you never know, whenever you try to drink anything and you get a stain, बस बस हो गया तुम्हारा खेल ख़त्म भाई. So you should not repeat that. You should take extra shirt with you. Also take tissue papers, might be 6 5 would work. Take tissue papers, take wet wipes, take uh, what we see it as talcum powder with you. Also take your makeup kit in a way, like a small one, not a bag full of makeup that you do sit and do there in the washroom. No, do not repeat that, because as I have been there, so mostly as I have heard, the washroom is not that big that you can spend your time 1 or 2 hour waiting there, or your waiting time would not exceed in that washroom more than 5 or 10 minutes, because so many crowd, so many people would come and just say you, they will just try to kick you out of that washroom. So be very smart enough. Do your base beforehand. Do come apply the main thing, like your highlighter, your eyeliner, or you can brush your hair also, because that does not take much minute of your time. Okay, so the next thing that is your eyeliner. If you do not know, please learn it. Eyeliner, or if you do not know how to wear a eyeliner, do take a kajal, smudge it in the eyelid of yours. It must not exceed, like, in a bad way. It should look professional. It should not exceed this length of your eye. Okay, as right now I am not wearing any makeup, it is just a lipstick, because my doctor has asked me to avoid it for a few days. So I also wanted to make this video for you all guys, and the next video is coming, as it is yet to be edited a bit. So yes, that is a very most important video out in my playlist that I would be adding. It is a very most important for you all guys, because you all know that Indigo and Akasa interview is coming in this month. You should not skip it, as Akasa is hiring. It is seen in their portal. Must visit, apply there, register yourself in their portal, apply there for the position of cabin crew, ground staff, whatsoever you want, apply. Okay, so the next step is of your Indigo has now, you all guys know, because it is now been out and seen in every social media platform, that they have started their walk-in interview only once in every city. It like you have already noticed, there was a time where 4 times you have seen so many dates were there for the position to apply for the position of cabin crew for the same airline, Indigo. But now things are different. They have started online interview system, and when you are selected, and thereby they will ask you to come for an offline interview. This is how the process looks. But for Akasa, it is not like that. Firstly, you need to apply. Okay, the next step would be to wait for the mail. You will receive it for like 4 or 5 days after you apply. So it is very easy to apply. Okay, you should make your profile well in their portal. Yes, everything has a certain professionalism that you should know. For Akasa's interview, you should make your profile. You should register yourself, make a profile, and then apply for the position. For Indigo, it is not like that. For a walk-in interview, you should not apply. You just go, give that interview, go at that particular time. As now in Kolkata, it is also hiring, and many more other states. I would like to mention that screenshot after this video. If you all guys do not know, please do not wait for anything. Apply. Not if you do not have to apply, you should have to go. It is for Indigo. Okay. For Indigo, I would be showing the list that has been hiring. Okay. The next step, if you are planning to go for interview, your makeup, hair, your formals should be very good. Your resume is the first more important before your face. Okay, so after before your face, yes, your resume is very more important thing, that it portrays what skills, what creativity you have in your brain that you will put into that piece of paper to get you hired. Yes, I have made more than like 6 7, or it might exceed more than 10 if I recall. Okay, I have made so many resume, nothing worked, nothing. Right after I'm showing it to my professional friend that has been part of cabin crew, they're saying, what the heck you have done? Yes, I've been getting scolding, and I have learned from there like how it is made, as you do not have more cabin crew friends as I did at a point of time. So I'm the one here to help you, because you can also try to be close enough and stick to the resume that I have made. That would always benefit you. But if you are willing to make something different from it, do make. But remember to make your font should be same, spacing should be good, your details should be there mentioned properly right after your photograph of your face. It should look this way. It should not exceed more than that your chest is full covered with that professional photo. No, your main thing, this one is the main photo of yours. Yes, this one is the main that they're looking for. Okay, the next step is a warm smile, and these are the things that makes a person ready for male or female. So I am here to assist you. Please drop your comments, every important piece of advice you need from me, I would reply. And also, if necessary, I would make a video. As in the last video, I've seen so many love, and I want you all guys to know how important it is for me and for you, this video that does not waste your time and only aims for a growth vision. And thank you for watching this video. Without wasting any time, please visit my profile or comment down. After a day, I would like to upload the next video, and that would help you a lot for that upcoming interview. For more informations, like for Akasa and also of Indigo, I am here holding the experience, the right one to share the main things, important things, because now few videos are old. I am here with the recent knowledge that I have in the field of aviation, and that would really help you. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Without wasting your time, Jai Hind, bye bye, and take care.